Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the C20 Pro Smartwatch. And of course, this time we are going to pair it with the support app, the DAFIT application. I think we have a QR code here, and it's also available here in the wearable. So we are going to install the support app for the smartwatch. Okay, we will pair it with the DAFIT application and see if what are the other features available for the smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the application installation, the DAFIT app, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Okay, so let's start and download the support app for the smartwatch, the DAFIT application. Okay, if you're looking for the QR code, it's available here in the user manual. Okay, so let's check. As you can see here, we have the QR code here. You can scan that. Or if you happen to lost your user manual, it is also available here in the smartwatch. Just go to the settings, go to the about section, and we have the app download. So you can scan this QR code and go directly to the application, or you can just search it, okay, here on Google Play. So let's search DAFIT app. Okay, let's search, and we have here the application, okay, with over 10 million plus downloads. Okay, so let's install. So it's now pending, so let's wait. It is now downloading the application for the C20 Pro Smartwatch. Okay, just 25 MB, so this will be fast. Okay, we are on 100% and it is now installing. So let's wait. So DAFIT application available on Android and iOS platform. So we're done. Let's open the application here. Okay, tap on open. Again, this is a step-by-step guide on how to pair your smartwatch, whether it's C20 Pro Smartwatch or any other smartwatch that is using this application. So agree and continue. So we have here our first permission, allow DAFIT to access this device's location. So searching for smartwatch, DAFIT wants to turn on Bluetooth. Tap on allow. It's now turning on the Bluetooth application or Bluetooth network. So we have here, it found two smartwatches. We have the C20 Pro and the M41. So we are going to pick the C20 Pro Smartwatch. Okay, it is now connecting. And we are paired, as you can see here. We have 53%. You can verify whether the smartwatch here is our smartwatch or not. Okay, just check the MAC address. Go to the about section, version, and you can see it here. F5, DE, D5, 3E, 9F, and 14. So the same. Then, after it has been paired or added, tap on next. So you have to fill this. Okay, let's see if it... yes, that's it. Okay, just leave it as it is. So here we have some icons. Okay, you have the profile here. So this is our smartwatch settings. On the bottom part, we have the workout, and we have the overall data for health and your activity for today. Okay, let's go to the device. Here we have the smartwatch logo, and we have the section for watch faces, notifications, find device, alarms, shutter, favorite contacts, others, and upgrade. Okay, so let's set up the basics for the C20 Pro. Go to the notification function. As you can see here, it's all deactivated. Okay, so let's activate. So we have here our first permission. Allow Daffy to access your phone call logs, and allow Daffy to make and manage phone calls and access your contacts. So activated. Okay, seems like everything is okay here. Accept. Go back. Okay, messages. This is for, I think, SMS. Let's activate. Allow Daffy to send and view SMS messages. Allow. Then let's set it here. Everything is okay, as you can see here. Go back. For the application, so let's activate here the Facebook. Push notification will work only after activating the notification permission. Let's enable it. Just look for the application Daffy. Activate. Then allow. Okay, go back. So pick the application that you want to receive messages. WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. Okay, I'm looking for other applications, so it's not here. Our Telegram and Viber. Let's just activate it here. And that's it. Okay, Shutter, favorite contacts, others. Let's see here. So as you can see here, we have a time format. You can set the 12 or 24-hour format time. In our case, we just pick 12-hour format time. And seems like everything is okay. Control phone music, you can activate or deactivate it here. Continuous heart rate detection, it's up to you. Activating this will drain your battery fast. Okay, so it's up to you. Heart rate warning, let's activate it. And we have some other options here, as you can see. We even have here a drink water reminder. Okay, go back. Again, notifications, let's follow up. Okay, so seems like everything is okay. I guess we have successfully paired our C20 Pro Smartwatch with the Daffy application. As you can see here, there's no issues at all. Smooth pairing of the smartwatch to the support app. So again, if you are pairing your smartwatch with the Daffy application, whether it's C20 Pro or any other application, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, the pairing, the setup, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Goodbye!